Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in warframe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Warframe game website. Now click on the Play Free Now option at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose your platform. Just choose whichever platform you will be playing the game on, and you will be asked to enter your email address and your other details. Type in your preferred email address and then type it in once again for confirmation. Then enter whatever username you wish to use for your game within the alias section. Then type in your preferred password for your account. After typing in your password, type it in once again for confirmation within the confirm password box. Then click on the second checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions and click on the Join Now button. You will now be asked to check your inbox for a verification email. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Warframe. Just click on the link that you see within and then click on the Submit button and your account will now be activated. You will now be able to click on the Download button to download the Warframe game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.